Good morning, everyone. Today is April 15th, Wednesday. I hope everybody is having a great week. The week is halfway over. Yay! So for our daily decision making, we're going to circle the good skills Tim uses. Tim is your best friend. He asks you to go swimming with him. You tell him that you are too tired to go. He listens and asks if there's something else you want to do instead. So our choices are: he's nice to others, makes you feel bad, only asks one time, asks over and over again, accepts when you say no, or does not accept when you say no. Remember, you're going to put a circle on the good social skills. And make sure to talk to your parents about some good social skills you can have when somebody doesn't want to do something you want to do. Make sure you log in and complete the work. Have a great day.